Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're getting ready to talk about the Galaxy X, one of the best looking phone out so far as the prototype is concerned. Now I've seen LGs, I've seen Oppo, but Samsung is the best. Now Samsung can possibly be the first one to bring about a foldable display, right? And I'm looking for it, I'm ready to buy it, and we're gonna talk about this price, right? We're gonna try to keep the video nice, short, and sweet, right? But let's talk about it. First of all, right, the Galaxy X, if you look at this phone, it is a thing of beauty. You're talking about a screen on the front, you're talking about a screen on the inside that folds out into a mini tablet. Now, what makes this so attractive and worth the price to me, in my opinion, already out the door, is the fact that it's still pocketable. Right? That means that I can fold it back up, I can put it in my pocket, I can open it up, I can watch a YouTube video, I can watch a movie, or I could do some work, I could do presentations on this thing. This thing is going to be a beast once it hits the market, right? But we're talking about the look of this thing. We're talking about the beauty of it, right? So me personally, at $1,850, which is the price that they're talking about is going to be charged for this. Again, remember, it's only rumors and speculations at this point. Doesn't necessarily mean that this is true, right? But at $1,850, I think it's still worth the price. That's just me in my opinion. But I also think $1,500 would be a sweet spot. And we got a whole bunch of people arguing about that they won't buy this device. And it's kind of like the baseball field, right? You build it, they will come. Now, once Samsung put this on the market, there's somebody that's going to buy it. Mainly, many of us, right? Many of us that are geeks, because I'm one of them. I will be buying this device if it's $1,850, right? $1,500, I think, would be a sweet spot. Let's take a look at the fact that we already pretty much paid $1,000 for the Galaxy Note 8, right? We're about to pay another $1,000, probably plus, for the Galaxy Note 9. So what would make it any difference to pay for a foldable display? And I'm hoping, right? I'm hoping that this display be indestructible, right? Because you already got it where it can bend. You know, if it can be scratch resistant, this really is going to take this device over the top. And selling it at $1,850 is going to be easily done. It's going to get bought, right? But let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about the possible specs that could come with this device. Now, let's talk about this screen display opening up. We're talking about folding it. We're talking about being able to put it in your pocket, right? And if you need to use this as a tablet, you can use this as a tablet. But we're talking about the features of this thing with possible 4K display. Now, if they put a 4K display on this, now, will it be worth the price of $1,850 or not? Now, I want to argue this. I want to debate this. I want you to hit me in the comment section below. I want to know, will that make it then worth it to buy this at that price with just 4K display? We're not talking about the rest of the specs. 4K display, right? Now, they're talking about we're going to keep the SD card, right? They also said that we may get a dual camera, right? What about those things? Is that going to be okay? What about running the latest Android? What would make this worth $1,850 to you? And I'm not trying to get you to buy it. No, I'm just trying to understand why $1,850 or $1,500 is too much, right? Because I think for the technology at hand, I think it's a fair price, right? I think it's a fair price for what it could do, for what it's going to offer, for the ability of what it's going to be able to do, because we don't know everything that's going to come on this smart device. But the look of it, just out the door, the hardware makes this hard to resist, right? In my opinion. That's just me all day. All right, so that's all I wanted. I wanted to create not any chaos. I just want to create a debate. Let's talk about this. Let's keep it real. Again, we're already spending pretty much $1,000 for the Note 9 when it comes out, right? That's without the insurance. That's the phone out the door. That's making payments on it, right? And we can also make payments on the new device, the foldable device, right? Me personally, I'm going to get the Note 9, and when CES come or Mobile World Congress, whenever it gets debuted, whenever it hits the market, I'm buying that one too. Now, this is one device that I may, right? And I'm saying may, right? I may keep for 2 years. A foldable display? Yes. Yes, I'm Team Samsung all the way anyway, so it doesn't make a difference. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on would you buy this if it had certain features, and what features could this device have that would make you buy it at $1,850. Let's just stick with $1,850. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.